Hey, Jonathan again with another video for you guys. This time we're going to be making our new keto cookie mix, and the flavor is Snickerdoodle. This mix is so easy to make, even a surfer dude like myself can get it done. All you have to do is just follow the instructions on the back. All you need is, here, let me get it for you. All you need is 1 egg and a 1/3 cup of butter. That's it. Sweet and simple. What's so great about this keto cookie mix is super low carb, man. The thing is only 2 gram net carbs. That's pretty gnarly if you ask me. I mean, most baking mixes out there, they're loaded with sugar, high carbs, and they contain a lot of processed ingredients. You don't want that. But not with this mix. This mix contains really good ingredients. Ingredients so dang good for you. You got coconut flour, almond flour, MCT. These are known as medium chain triglycerides from coconut. And it has grass-fed collagen, psyllium husk, which is also a good source of fiber. Not to mention, this thing is sweetened with BochaSweet. This sugar replacement, 0 calories, 0 glycemic. This bad boy right here. This stuff is in here. Whoa! Now that's what I'm talking about with the keto baking mix. So I'm sure you're now ready to get started. So let me show you how to do it. So we're gonna get a bowl. So I'm gonna open this. Got a nice rich cinnamon smell to it. The aroma, like, man, I'm in surfer paradise right now. So let's add that in. So I just got like a little pot right here that I'm gonna melt the butter in. So let's do that. So you want 6 tablespoons, that's roughly 1/3 cup. And let me grab that. That's this right here. You can use a measuring cup or something like this. Either one works. So let's go ahead. 3/4 stick of butter will work. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna just melt it right on the stove top. So let's do it. While I'm doing that, I'm going to want to preheat the oven to 325. 325. Alright, and here's the 1/3 cup butter. Just add it in. And then we need a whisk. We got our whisk right here. So let's stir this. We got a nice cookie-like texture going on. So here's my parchment paper lined baking sheet. Simply roll these. Here we have it. 12 minutes. Look at that. I'm telling you, this is the real deal. Let it cool down and the thing will be ready to go. So I just let the cookie cool down and they look so delicious. So let's give it a try. Good. So good. Dude, these are awesome. So head over to BochaSweet.com and get your Keto Snickerdoodle Cookie mix today.